What's up, guys? So in this video, it is going to be showing you episode 2 of making $100 on Clickbank. So stay tuned and see how I did. Alright guys, so we are in Clickbank, and as you can see, I made nothing. So a lot of people think, well, you failed, you suck at affiliate marketing, yada yada yada, you don't know what you're doing. Which on my channel, I'm just trying to document my journey and show you guys, like, I'm not perfect, I don't know everything, no, but I'm trying to show you guys as a beginner or anyone who's on the same journey as me that you can start off at nothing and then work your way up as you go. So what I did was, in episode 1, I ordered 100 clicks, and this is solo ads, and I ordered it from, funny enough, a guy named Philip, and he actually gave me 120 clicks. 120 clicks. So I sent these 120 clicks to my landing page. Alright guys, so I sent those 120 clicks to this landing page, and honestly what I'm thinking is that the offer that I ran wasn't a really good offer just on the front end to convert with people. It was sort of, after looking at the video again, looking at the actual offer, it was sort of like, I wouldn't say scammy, but it wasn't very believable. Like, if I was just an ordinary person trying to find a way to make money online, I probably wouldn't choose that offer, but it's no biggie. So the good thing about those 120 clicks, that it wasn't just a waste of, I believe I paid $60 for those clicks, is if you go to my email and you look, I believe the number, I got 38 emails. So I got 38 people on my email list that I can now retarget and promote another offer to. So if I want to promote something else that I feel like is actually valuable and worth their time, I can actually do that. And one thing that I did actually make a mistake on is not setting up my autoresponder with this landing page. But what I'm going to do now is send emails to all of these people and just retarget to them and see if I can promote another offer and provide value to them. So no, I probably won't be retargeting and resending these people back to this offer on Clickbank, but it might be something else similar. Like I said, I have to build that relationship with them, and I'm using Gary V's tactics of jab, jab, I believe it's jab, 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 right hook. I might be saying that wrong, but basically I'm offering 3 emails of value. It's either 2 or 3 emails of value, and then I'm going to send them an email that has an offer in it. So I just wanted to update you guys on episode 2 on how I did, and notice I don't see this as a failure because I collected so many emails. It was like a 38% opt-in rate, so that is a good thing. So we're gonna see what happens in episode 3 after I, like I said, send those emails out, retarget to them, and send them a bunch of value. So if you guys like this video and want to follow me on my journey with digital marketing, it would be great if you hit that subscribe button and like the video, and I will see you in the next one.